What is subject matter jurisdiction in family court? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle, but the pieces just don't fit because you're working on the wrong puzzle. That's a lot like what happens if a family court tries to handle a case it isn't authorized to hear. Subject matter jurisdiction is all about the court's legal power to decide certain types of cases. In family court, this means cases like divorce, child custody, child support, spousal support, adoption, guardianship, and domestic violence. If the court doesn't have this authority, any decision it makes could be invalid. This jurisdiction is set by laws, often written into state constitutions or statutes. It's not something the parties involved can waive or agree to change. The court's power depends on whether the case falls within what the law allows it to handle. For example, in divorce cases, the law usually requires that at least one spouse has lived in the state for a certain amount of time, often 6 months or more. This is called residency, and it means more than just being physically present. It also involves showing an intent to stay in the state long-term, like having a driver's license, voter registration, or a permanent home there. Family courts generally have broad authority over family issues within their state, but they cannot decide criminal cases or unrelated civil disputes. The laws clearly define what family courts can and cannot hear, making sure cases are handled in the right place. Having the right subject matter jurisdiction is important because it ensures the court's decisions are valid and enforceable. Without it, a court's ruling can be challenged and overturned. In simple terms, subject matter jurisdiction in family court means the court's legal power to hear and decide family-related cases. It's based on laws, like residency requirements, and it helps keep cases in the right court. This way, family matters are handled by courts that are specialized and authorized to deal with the emotional and legal issues involved.